And time now to get a check on the weather conditions with our Lee Jee-hyun at the Weather Center. Ji-hyun, the spring flowers are reaching full bloom and the weather is considerably milder, but the big gap in temperatures are getting most of us, like myself, getting sick.
Definitely. Big swings in temperatures are making a lot of people sick. Be sure to dress accordingly and drink plenty of water, Kon-young. Now here in the capital, we'll be covered with spring flowers in 5 days. Forsythias and azaleas will make their appearance and should be in full bloom about a week from these indicated dates, meaning certain parts of the country should see the full blossom by this weekend. But we'll get a brief cold spell starting tomorrow afternoon with northeasterly winds blowing in. Lows will be hovering near the freezing mark by Thursday, and below average temperatures will remain till the end of the weekend. And tomorrow it's going to be slightly cooler than today under partly sunny skies, so let's take a closer look. Daily low here in Seoul and Daejeon will start out at 4 degrees Celsius. Daegu and Busan will start out at 6 and 8. And as for the daily highs, here in Seoul will top out at 13, while Daegu and Busan will getting up to 16 degrees Celsius. Now that's Korea for you, and here's international weather for viewers around the world.